gonna dub over this anyway. Sticker on the side. It's really Yes.
Alright guys, pretty eventful day today at Pomona car show. I got to sell my VW hood, my 65 hood over there. One of the vendors wanted to buy it, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna make some money off of it. But at the same time, I did end up getting a nice little score. I wouldn't call it crazy. I thought it was crazy at first, but it ended up, after I ended up looking it up, I saved about 50 bucks. I ended up getting some seat covers from TMI, and they were brand new in the box, so not bad. Ooh. These are the basket weave vinyl ones, slip-ons. So I didn't notice till the end, because I know TMI has pretty good products, but I didn't notice until I actually researched it how much it was. I think they go for about about 280 from what I saw on Google. Ended up scoring about 260, so 280 plus tax. I mean, it comes out to about 50 bucks that I saved. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe. Don't subscribe, like, don't like, it's all good. I'm gonna keep on putting out videos, and I'll see you guys later. All right, have a good one.